Hi, I'm Ed Davis. I am the District Rotary Director for our Rotary Leadership Institute, and we are here today to explain to members and people who are coming to the District Assembly what the Rotary Leadership Institute is, how we are here to train Rotary leaders for the future, or just members who want to become leaders or even know more about Rotary, because there's so much knowledge there and information that it's broken down into 3 sessions, where the first session you learn about how you as a Rotarian fit within Rotary. The second session takes in about the club, how the clubs are organized, how it fits into the purpose of Rotary. And the third session talks about Rotary International. You learn about the foundation, how the operation of that works. And then we have graduate sessions also for membership, foundation. We have one for public speaking. We have one just for leadership. And then if you're really interested after going through all that, you become a Rotary discussion leader. So there's a huge opportunity there for people to learn more, and we're here today to provide information to the members that are coming and recruit people to come to us.
So Ed, one thing, I did take RLI. I've taken all 3 classes, and it wasn't until I took those classes did all the pieces come together with how incredible this organization really is. And it taught me really specific things like, tell me, what is a global grant? How do you get one? I mean, if you see a problem in the world and you don't know how to get money to it, there might be a solution by getting a global grant. Is that correct?
That's absolutely true. And
so how would that work?
Well, you basically, you want to, if there's a need,
right.
You have to have a partner within a specific country that you work with. Let's say it's another Rotary club there, or it might be another non-governmental organization that you could possibly partner with.
Right.
But the issue is that it has to be sustainable. We're Rotary and
I mean,
clubs,
you got to give them like a real business plan.
Absolutely.
And
you have to vet the process up for your application. It goes on from the club level to the district level, and then on to the Rotary International level, where it is initially approved or disapproved based on what the sustainability plan. And that's the key, is sustainability. We just don't want to give money for a project that's not going to be there for 2, 3, 4 years from now.
I would say that is the heartbeat of Rotary. We're a humanitarian organization.
Yes.
Trying to help our local community and the rest of the world.
Absolutely, because there's so many problems in the world. With today, it's only a plane ride away.
There's no way the government can take care of all the problems in the world. Thank heavens for Rotary.
Absolutely not. And nothing more perfect example as that is with polio.
Right.
Polio basically is down to 2 countries in the world, be it Afghanistan, some parts of northern Pakistan, and Nigeria. And the only reason it's probably there is because we can't get in to give those vaccinations to those children as they're born, because the Nigerian government has taken a step. They are being very proactive. We just have to work on Afghanistan to get there, and northern Pakistan.
So through RLI, there's 3 sessions. If somebody is watching this, how would you go about signing up for it?
You go online, you go to the DACDB website, you click on to the RLI calendar, go to the calendar, and there's a line there that says RLI, Dublin, Georgia, August 18th. Click on that. There's a registration there. If you pre-sign up, the cost is $100. If you wait till the day of, it's $125. So it's definitely a benefit for signing up early. So we want everybody to sign up. You register there. It's very simple to do. I can't emphasize how easy to do.
Right. So, okay,
we'll come about our sessions. Our sessions are from 8 to 3. You probably need to show up by about 7:30. We have a breakfast or a continental breakfast that day, and then the sessions start at 8. Then we have lunch that's provided and snacks. By 3 o'clock, the classes are over. About 3:15, we have a little graduation ceremony and present your certificates of completion, and you're on the road at that point. So you're back on your way back home or wherever you choose to go to. So it's a small amount of time on a Saturday that you can come and meet other Rotarians.
That's
That's
a wonderful benefit. You just meet the nicest people
You
at
do, you
RLI,
do.
not just from your neighborhood, but all over.
And those friendships will last forever. I've been doing this for about 15 years now, and I have friendships that I've made from other parts of the state and Florida that are still going on today.
Absolutely.
And so it's a great thing. I want to invite you to come.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.